by interacting with Manoj Kumar yesterday, a lot of things about the world and the world affairs. You could imagine how the life is struggleful, but that struggle itself can be converted into the joyous struggle and achieve the higher and higher aims in our human life. Without social help, without social help, nothing can be accomplished. That's why everybody has to contribute from their own side. Swami Vivekananda says, the success of any task depends upon the collective contribution or collective service of all the members of that organization or that group. So while working, everybody should think that almost other people have already contributed their part. Now the collective success of any task depends upon my contribution to that task. So for example, 12 team members are there and all the 11 team members are thinking कि सबने कर लिया है, मुझे मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन देना है, तो टीम का सक्सेस है. तो इसी ढंग से पूरे 12 लोगों ने सोच देने से वो तो सक्सेस तो आना ही आना है. That is the team spirit. That is the power of organization. Isn't it? One or two people who are working over there, depending upon that, it won't do. All the contribution is necessary, and Indian society is lacking in this organized way of working, and that was the downfall of India. Isn't it? When you are in the class, you are expected to sit quietly. That means you have to contributing to the calmness or that tanmatras or the education which will help you while the teacher is teaching you. Isn't it? That is your contribution. You have to sit in the class constantly without moving here and there. That is your contribution in teaching learning process. Isn't it? In this way, everybody has to be responsible. Sometimes we find in the CCTV camera, some boys are roaming here and there in the class itself. Why? What is the necessity? Isn't it? When teacher is there, you have to with rapt attention, you have to hear him. That's all. Isn't it? Why you are giving excuses for moving from this place to that place? That has not to be encouraged by the teacher also. The moment, and everybody should be in the class before the teacher comes over there. Nobody will roam outside in the corridor. This simple thing will make you focused, more and more focused, and you understand your own mind. Mind want to go here, mind want to go there, mind want to give excuses. You have to curb all these sort of irritations which comes within yourself, and then only your whole mind is focused, will be focused. है ना? वो पहले रेल यान था, वो बाष्प यानी वेपर पे चलता था, तो वेपर तो सारी दुनिया में है, लेकिन उसका असर होता है क्या? नहीं. लेकिन वही वेपर एक स्मॉल नोजल से चक्के के ऊपर फोकस कर दे तो पूरा इतना हेवी गाड़ी धीरे धीरे मूव होने लगता. तो मतलब क्या है? वेपर तो एनवायरनमेंट में है, लेकिन वो कंडेंस वेपर फोकस्ड वेपर है, तो उसके कारण इतना बड़ा लोड भी खींचा जाता है रेल यान का. Likewise, our concentration is scattered on all the sides, and that's why we do not feel the power of our concentration. The moment we make it focus, immediately you get a tremendous insight. Within a short span of time, you can have your study or homework done. But for that purpose, there is specific lifestyle, soft skill. सभी को क्लास में रहना, कोई इधर उधर घूमेगा नहीं unless and until necessary. Within class also, nobody should talk unless and until it is necessary. When teacher is there to talk. You are there to listen only. Isn't it? Rapt attentively. If you listen it within the class itself, you are ready for doing your homework. Otherwise, घर जाने के बाद क्या बोला था, क्या नहीं बोला था, समझा नहीं, ये सब बातें होती. So I want each of our students to be such a focused person in the class, in the society, in the home, everywhere. That habit has to be inculcated. एनर्जी कहीं भी जाएगी तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं, दैट बिकम बूमरैंग अपॉन अस, इजंट इट? और स्कूल टाइम में यही सीखना है और कुछ नहीं। ये इतना फोकस और शांति से बैठना और कामली अटेंटिवली माइंड को फोकस करना, इसी में 12 साल खर्चा करना पड़ता है। इट इज नॉट सो इजी। सो आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। द टीचर्स ऑल्सो शुड एनकरेज the student on this line, point it out, show them mirror, and in this way slowly shanai ruparame buddhi dhruti bruhitaya, slowly हमको अपग्रेड करना है। आत्मसंस्थम मनः कृत्वा किंचित अपि न चिंतयेत्, यानी खुद में सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करते ये प्रोग्रेस चलना है। उसमें डिजेक्शन आता है, इंकरेजमेंट आता है, लेकिन फिर भी ये प्रोसेस को नॉन स्टॉप चलाना होता है। एंड दैट इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द कल्चर ऑफ रामकृष्ण मिशन। ए 12th क्लास, इसलिए हम बोलते हैं ना जोकिंगली कि दिस इज नॉट द रामकृष्ण मिशन, इजंट इट, बट दिस इज ए रामकृष्ण मशीन। ठीक है, ये मशीन में रॉ मटेरियल डालते हैं और आउटपुट एकदम परफेक्टली बाहर निकलता है। तो इसके कस्टम एटिकेट्स, एक्सपेक्टेशंस, व्हाटएवर इट इज देयर फ्रॉम यू पीपल, फ्रॉम क्लास 11 क्लास स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 अप टू एकदम प्ले ग्रुप, सभी को, हर एक जन अपने रिदम में चलते रहने से ऑल द ग्रेट potential energy will be evolving among you, and that energy will help each other. कोई 40% वाला है वो 50% होगा, 90% वाला है वो 95% में जाना है, and that is the blueprint of Swamiji's education, man making, character building and leadership training. I hope you will understand and act accordingly.